remnants of our love, shattering them to pieces. Yet I can't forget the lingering shadow of your silhouette. In the future, I think maybe I'll never love another person again. But what am I supposed to do with this loneliness now? How can the withered weeds beneath my feet ever be worthy of this radiant flower? Summer and winter can't ever be together, can they? And as you walk away, I've become just a stranger you used to know. I wish you nothing but happiness in the days to come. The withered weeds beneath my feet aren't worthy of this radiant flower. I'm just not good enough to hold you here in my arms. Every tear that's falling is a memory, a scar from a love that's drifted away. And from now on, no one's coming to help heal them anymore. Stranger you used to know. The breeze blows away the remnants of our love, shattering them to pieces. Yeah, I still see the shadow of your silhouette in every evening light. I told myself that maybe I'd never love another soul again. But tonight, the silence is louder than all the words we never said. How can the withered weeds beneath my feet ever reach for something as radiant as you? Summer and winter were never meant to be. I know that now I always knew. And as you walk away, I've become just a stranger you used to know. So I let you go, let you go. I wish you nothing but happiness in the days to come. The withered weeds beneath my feet aren't worthy of this radiant flower. I'm just not good enough to hold you here in my arms, but I'll be okay. I traced the footprints you left on the shore, now washed away by tide. Your laughter still echoes soft like a song on the other side. Maybe loneliness is just the price of having loved you true. And if that's the cost, then now pay it all again for you. How can the withered weeds beneath my feet ever dream of being worthy of the sun? Summer and winter can't be complete, but both still come and both still run as you walk.